Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has received permission from the Bombay High Court to file a civil defamation suit against Meta, X, Google and unidentified individuals over alleged AI-generated deepfake content. The High Court granted Gadkari permission after hearing his petition under Clause 12 of the Letters Patent, which allows a suit to proceed when part of the cause of action falls within the court's jurisdiction. Gadkari argued that the alleged defamatory content was accessible to users in Maharashtra, giving the Bombay High Court the authority to hear the matter. Justice Abhay Ahuja accepted the submissions and allowed Gadkari to file the civil suit. According to the proposed suit, several AI-generated and deepfake posts falsely linked Gadkari to the ethanol blended fuel program. The posts allegedly claimed that he and his family had personally benefited financially from the initiative. Gadkari has described these allegations as fake, malicious and defamatory and said they were intended to mislead the public and damage his reputation. Through the civil suit, the Union Minister will seek permanent injunctions to remove the alleged fake and defamatory content from online platforms.